Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert, how to add line numbers in Microsoft Word document. So as we can see, we have some data in this document and you want to enter the line numbers. So select text where you want to enter the number, like this text. So select it, and in the layout tab, like you are in a home tab, so click on layout tab and here the option line numbers. Show line numbers reference specific lines in your document quickly and easily using line numbers in the margins. Now once you select, so there are some options like continues, restart each page, restart each section, suppress for current paragraph, like this. So select here and select continues. So we can see line numbers, and you can figure out how many lines in your Word document. So it will continues, and guys, if you select here restart each page, so you will see every page has different number of lines. Like in first page we have 24 lines, second one 40 lines, and another page 42 lines. So continues, it will continues the all lines, it will count, restart each page and restart each section. So if your document has some sections, so number will count for each section. So we have only one section, so as we can see, whole lines has numbers. And there are some more options, like you can make changes from here. Header and footers differ odd and even, different first page, paper and margins. So we will discuss in advanced video series. So today in basic video we learn how to insert line numbers in Microsoft Word document. Just guys, click on this layout tab and click on line numbers, and here you can select any options. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you or not, and if you want to remove line numbers, so just select none. That's it. If you like this video, so share, like and subscribe this channel.